Hey yo, what's up people, welcome to ashtechgraphic studio. Leo nakwenda kukutengenezea photo effect moja, empty head. Yes, without wasting time, let us get started. Like, make sure you may subscribe down to support me. So without wasting time, let us get started. We're gonna take a 3 minutes or 4 5 whatever. Ngoja nakwenda change the background color. Me, I don't like white. Select the solid. Me, I like this color. This is beautiful for me. So download the empty port chungu ambacho kipo empty kama hiki online. It's free to download. Sorry, it is free to download. Wow, reduce of presets, rotate. Wow. Kiseti kwa ile position ambayo unahisi kwako ni nzuri. Rotate, punguza opacity ili kuona ni jinsi gani unaweza kukiset. Opacity, unaweza kujua ni jinsi gani mimi naweza kukiset hapo. Punguza opacity. Okay. Yeah, for me this is good. For me, I hope hapa kipo poa. So once again, let's sterilize layer. Ongeza opacity kama ilivyokuwa awali, then add mask layer kwenye your shape. After that, select the brush tools, lakini make sure the top color ni black, lakini kama hapo ni white, change to, you can change like this. Wow. Then select the brush tools, start delete. Whoa, it is amazing. Wow, it is amazing and very simple, very easy to do. Very easy to do. Wow. Reduce, punguza brush tools kwa kumenya bracket za triangle hapa, za rectangle bracket kwenye keyboard. Yep. Simple. Yeah, kwa upande huko ambao head imedhid, then select the photo, picha ya photo, then chukua elastos, punguza brush, unaweza kufuta kawaida tu. Wow, good. How many time we take, guys? I hope now we finish. So the photo effect is later designed in Adobe Photoshop. Make sure you subscribe this channel for more videos every week. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. Bye.